Our machining department includes a fleet of machines capable of satisfying any production, quality, and geometry requirements of a part. The machines at our disposal can be of different types. 5-axis machining centers capable of machining complex pieces with a high quality index. Suitable for small productions. Flexible cells, such as our extremely flexible 4-axis machine equipped with 58 tools set in various positions, allowing for machining of complex pieces and giving its versatility smaller productions as well. But at the top of our range are the 5-axis systems featuring rotating tables, with quality levels similar to the machining center, but with the productivity that's 7 times higher. This advanced technology is the result of a partnership with the manufacturer. Now, allow me to present the Monster Square. Transfer machines of the latest technology with 12 stations with rotating clamps of 450 pieces per hour, up to 41 units, capable of self-adjusting and centering its geometry based on parameters measured in real time. These machines are at the apex of current technology from a 4.0 industry perspective. We also have specific equipment for machining products obtained from profiled bars with an hourly production of more than 1,200 pieces, and flexible machines, such as the Vertiflex, capable of machining particular parts of medium complexity with extreme efficiency. All machines are equipped with a robotic cell, allowing machining of any type of part while an operator performs simple but effective checks on the production in progress.